Hi. Gonna go up into the storage and look for my old tapes. And we'll try it out. We'll have a family night tonight. Hi, well, that took longer than I thought it would. It took me 20 minutes to dig this up. But here's my old tape.
What's the, wait, what's that?
My old movies.
Oh.
We're gonna watch it on the cassette tape.
What's a cassette tape?
We're gonna watch it.
What is that back thing right there?
What?
What's
Your
that?
language.
What the heck is that?
Okay, that's the VCR. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna. This is what Mommy and Daddy had back when we were kids.
Cool.
See, you put the video, you put it inside, and it's like a DVD player. Only it's not a DVD player.
Are we gonna plug this?
Well, I had to unplug the Xbox so we can watch.
Oh,
No. Okay, we're just doing it. We're just doing it for tonight. Okay. I finally found a VCR. Those are really hard to find.
This.
Hey, Leland.
Oh
man, looks okay. Hey, Leland! Leland! What are you doing? Hey, stop it! Leland! Oh my gosh! Stop it! Stop! Stop!
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh! Leland, stop it!
This thing won't go there!
Oh. Stop!
Stop it! This thing won't go there!
Oh. Wow. Oh, Leland! Stop.
Oh, jeez.
My gosh. Completely busted this, Leland. I cannot believe you. Cannot believe you did that. Get that. Give me that hammer. You know how hard these are to find? Do you have any idea how... Give me that hammer. You are so grounded.
You are so busted!
Give me that. Oh. Oh, hey.
Stop! You stop.
Oh my gosh. Leland.
OMG!
Why do you have to be like this?
OMG!
Huh? Why do you have to be like this?
You are so busted! Well, it's because I have your DNA. And
I never acted like this as a kid.
he never did.
Never acted like this.
You are so busted!
Give me that. Okay.
So busted!
Give me that hammer. Go to your room. Go to your room.
You are so
Give me.
busted! I can't believe you
Hey.
did that!
Oh. Stay back, Leanna. Stand back. Stand back. Just stand back. Are you done?
No, I'm never.
Because obviously it doesn't work now.
That's good.
Look.
Well, of course it doesn't work.
I wanted to watch my old movies.
Oh,
All because you couldn't play the Xbox. You had to smash the only VCR that I could find.
So what?
So what?
So what?
So what? I wanted to watch my old...
If mommy sees.
Stay in your room.
No. Stay in your room.
Can't have a fun family night. All I wanted... It's too much to ask for. Just to have a fun family night. Watch an old VHS tape. And I can't even do that. Nope. Can't do that. Because my brat of a son has to destroy everything.